system. Them try to keep we down in a system, but we rise again stronger every time. 10 times greater, know we in our prime. Dirty Babylon system, divide and conquer, that's how them plan. But we stand tall, we not go fall. Black people powerful, we conquer all. Black people are God people, truth have to reveal. That's why we go through so much pain and ordeal. They fear the power where we carry inside, so them try suppress it, try to make we divide. From slavery days to modern time, them rewrite history, twist the line. But no matter how them try to erase, we rise again, stronger in every place. Them fear the truth, them fear the youth, them fear the rise, so them spread lies. That's a Babylon system, and try to keep it down in this system. But we rise again stronger every time. 10 times greater, now we're in our prime. That's a Babylon system, divide and conquer, that's how them plan. But we stand tall, we not go far. Black people powerful, we conquer all. Them copy with style, them copy with sound, but still try to push me underground. We influence the world in every way, from culture to music every day. Most feared, most hated, still we lead. Even when they try, plant bad seed, but we wake up, no, we see the scheme. Time